coming. Shreya, how to keep my toddler busy? And answer to this question is this one person जो मेरे दिमाग में आता है, अरे यार इसको बहुत सारे आइडियाज पता है. ये क्यों? Because me and my child have been there at this place as their first school in life. It's the Freedom Park Mother Toddler. And Meena Mundada is the initiator of that entire idea. Yes, currently they have got so many branches and they are making difference to so many mothers and kids' life in both the ways. Giving them good activities, teaching them to share a quality time with each other. You all know what I tell about their school? The entire staff is very busy creating memories for every mother and every child. So here she is for all of you. कुछ बहुत awesome बातें अपने toddler को engage कैसे रखा जाए. Hi Meena.
Hi Shreya. Hi. That's so nice to meet you.
Same here. So here's my audience who wanted to know answer to one question, that how do I keep my toddler busy? Meena, I want to give you a bit of a background. This question has not come out of curiosity. So few mothers would have asked me out of curiosity, but there's a huge number of mothers who have it out of irritation or feeling bugged up. अरे मैं वही कर रही हूँ, मुझे पता ही नहीं क्या करना है. So I think you are the best person to help them out. So
Thank you for bringing me here. I think ये जो question है ना, इसी से मेरी life की शुरुआत हुई थी for Freedom Park. So this is how Freedom Park came into existence, because when I had my kids, I had the same question. क्योंकि when we become pregnant, we don't get a बोलते ना directory या ये नहीं मिल जाता हमको, एक बाइबल नहीं मिल जाता है कि आपके सारे प्रॉब्लम्स इसमें सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. Because every child is unique and every mother is unique for that matter. So I believe what we need to do with our child can be more revealing if you spend or invest, I would rather say, more time with the child. क्योंकि हर बच्चा यूनिक है. तो अगर मेरा बच्चा कनेस्थेटिक लर्नर है, वो एक जगह बैठ के नहीं सीखता है, तो मुझे ऐसे कुछ आइडियाज या एक्टिविटीज उसके आसपास डेवलप या रेडी रखनी पड़ेगी जिससे वो उसकी वो बेसिक क्वालिटी नहीं चली जाए.
right.
You can't force this child to sit in one place and do an activity. It would be difficult. It is not impossible, but it would be difficult. With a lot of continuous effort, this can be done, right?
That's beautiful.
So there are many ways of doing these. But I need to first ask all the mothers who are watching this video, how much time do you put in to sit with your child or play with your child every day?
Sorry, I think Meena, before we go ahead, I have a question that when you said kinesthetic, how a mother understand which type my child is? So that I think understanding activity will be better
Again,
for
same
every
thing.
mother.
Coming to the same thing. Suppose मैं कोई एक्टिविटी लेके बैठी हूँ तो मेरा बच्चा घूम ही रहा है, वो बैठ ही नहीं रहा है, तो या तो एक्टिविटी बोरिंग है या तो एक्टिविटी मोनोटोनस है. आप वही टॉय लेके बैठे हो, ओके, नया टॉय तो कोई भी बच्चा बैठेगा, राइट? लेकिन आपको उसी टॉय में कुछ अलग, जैसे अगर मैंने किचन में एक गेम खेल रही हूँ, मैंने एक पतीले में बहुत सारे चम्मच रखे और मैंने अलग अलग साइज और कलर्स के बाउल्स आसपास रख दिए पूरे हॉल में, लिविंग रूम में, और मैंने उसको एक छोटा सा काम दिया है, हर एक बाउल में एक स्पून डाल, या फिर मैचिंग, यू कैन डू मैचिंग. The yellow colored bowl can have a yellow color. We get plastic spoons,
right?
Just put that into that bowl. Okay, let's start. Give a nice music or just do some मतलब कोई चम्मच क्लैप करो, कुछ भी करो. Till I clap finish, you have to finish the activity. अभी ये सेम एक्टिविटी एक जगह बैठ के भी की जा सकती है, सारे ग्लासेस रख के. पर मेरा बच्चा वैसा नहीं है. मेरा बच्चा एक जगह नहीं बैठने वाला, या फिर पहली बार बैठ गया, सेकेंड टाइम नहीं बैठेगा. उसी एक्टिविटी को चेंज करो ना. और तुम्हारी कितनी तैयारी है अपने पैरों पे घूमने की इधर उधर. यू कैन कंप्लेन यार, बिकॉज आई हैव कम टू रियलाइज इन द 10 years ऑफ माई करियर, द मोर कनेस्थेटिक अ चाइल्ड इज. कनेस्थेटिक का मतलब है कि वो एक जगह बैठता नहीं, वो घूमते
इन्वॉल्व होके करता है, जिसको लोग एक्टिव बोलते हैं. मेरा बच्चा बहुत एक्टिव है.
ये बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी एक बच्चे में, मल्टीटास्कर है. वो घूम के सीख रहा है, तो वो बच्चा इनफैक्ट ज्यादा स्मार्ट होता है. उसको अगर हम धमका बुझा के बार डांट के अगर बिठा के सिखा रहे, तो आई थिंक वी आर डूइंग समथिंग ऑपोजिट, which we should know. So understand the basic instinct of your child by investing time in the child. Coming back to the same thing.
Beautiful. So now, what can be done with the kids?
Okay, let's just shoot up. क्योंकि लेक्चर बाजी में तो तुम लोग बोर हो जाओ. You want action. You want to get into action. Okay.
Yes.
So now, identify what are the different areas which are child friendly in the house. So you can tell me, Shreya.
My living area is
Okay,
very
living
much
room.
child-friendly.
One is living room.
Second is garden.
Like we are standing in one garden. Yes, very very important.
Third, not exactly a kitchen, drawers and all if they're closed. Even my kitchen area is
Yeah,
pretty friendly.
kitchen, dining area,
Yes.
bedroom.
Yes,
bathroom.
bedroom is very friendly.
अब ये सारी चीजें, अब क्योंकि बच्चा एक जगह रहने वाला नहीं है और रहा तो भी आई थिंक बहुत बोर हो जाएगा. Why make his life so boring यार? Come on, हमारे पास एक काम है, हम एक पैशनेटली अगर करेंगे तो इवन ही द चाइल्ड विल गेट इन्वॉल्व.
Right, 100%.
उसकी जो अप्रोच है कोई चीज सीखने के लिए वो एक बहुत पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. एंड एज अ मदर आई थिंक वी आर द फर्स्ट टीचर्स. एंड इफ आई स्टार्ट द लर्निंग जर्नी ऑफ माई चाइल्ड with love and with lot of enthusiasm, I think he'll be always jumping and ready to learn. That's what I
Right.
feel.
That's
Right?
beautiful. In fact, Meena has given such a new angle to the whole thing. Somebody's child is jumping and running. Mothers call me and tell my child is hyperactive.
अच्छा, ये hyperactive word is actually not allowed to say to any child. Huh? It's a clinically incorrect.
In fact,
word
it
to say.
psychologically
Yeah.
have a bad effect on child.
Exactly.
But she told it so beautifully. Can I say that my child is so celebrative that they're constantly jumping and running around?
Yeah, and आपको अच्छा लगेगा आपका बच्चा जब बीमार होता है और वो एक जगह ऐसे सुन से बैठा हुआ रहता है. Do you like it? Will you
No.
be like, अरे आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा था? You can't say that. You're more upset. So
Yes.
do you understand there is a flip side to it? So let's take a moderation में कुछ देखते हैं. अगर
Beautiful.
हमारे पास एक्टिविटीज रेडी होगी, आपका बच्चा 3 से 4 घंटे दिन में सोता होगा,
हाँ,
right?
आराम
So
से.
that should be your planning time, right? So when the child is sleeping, you have already decided कि मेरी एक एक्टिविटी बेडरूम में क्या होगी, मेरी एक एक्टिविटी किचन में क्या होगी, मेरी एक एक्टिविटी लिविंग में क्या होगी. इधर और एक्टिविटी को बड़ा भरकम सा वर्ड मत समझिए. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट विद किचन. किचन में क्या क्या चीजें होती है जो एक बच्चे के लिए सेफ होती है?
और spoon, patela,
यूटेंसिल्स. ओके,
कटोरी.
exactly. So utensils का मैं कुछ, I'm just posting a few pictures for you so to get an idea of what I'm
Wow,
saying.
very
So you can have a utensils drum for the child. ठीक है, ऐसे टाइम पे देना जब घर में लोग सो नहीं रहे हो, काफी टीवी का आवाज ऑलरेडी चल रहा है, nobody will really bother. If you want to reduce the sound of the utensils, you can give them a plastic spoon.
Okay,
Okay,
हाँ.
rather than giving a steel to steel, which will create a lot of noise and I might disturb the other people of the house. Because if you do this every day, imagine what will happen. So try to give different mediums to bang. एक दूसरे में स्टैकिंग कर सकते हैं. They can stack the same thing,
Very
one
good.
above the other, right? Other than
Kind
that,
of a building with the
yeah,
utensils.
blocks, utensils blocks. Okay. Then you have various cereals, pulses in your house,
हाँ,
right?
rajma,
have
moong, chavli,
have a
chana.
huge tub. Okay.
Okay.
In that you put not a lot. Okay, put like say around 1 kilo, 1 kilo of rice. You can put in that and just hide a few blocks or something inside. Very
Okay.
few, not much. And then you encourage the child to explore. Oh, of course, it's going to be a little messy. Be prepared for it.
हाँ,
You
right,
can't
right.
expect कि हर एक्टिविटी परफेक्ट हो. एंड बाय द वे प्लीज हेलो, आपका घर अगर परफेक्ट है तो कुछ गड़बड़ है.
या तो उस घर में बच्चे नहीं हैं.
हाँ, मतलब यू कांट लाइक prove to any the people coming to the house that there is no child in the house. Oh God, that's like a disastrous situation. Let them know कि तुम्हारे घर में must happy kids are there and there is a lot of mess, which is fine. Okay. Eventually, when we teach our children to wind up the activity, there will be coming a time when this mess will no longer be there. You know, and you'll be
Yeah.
proud parents where the child खुद ही अपना बच्चा ही सारा चीजें ठीक से जगह पे रख रहा है, क्योंकि उसको चीजों की वैल्यू है, क्योंकि हमने उसके साथ नीचे बैठ के वो एक्टिविटी की है एवरी डे, डे अराउंड डे, राइट? What else can be there? You can have tasting stations, like तुम कुछ बना रहे हो, बच्चे को बीच बीच में वो टेस्ट कराओ. This is sour, this is bitter, this is
Lovely.
sweet, this is tangy. So I'm giving her one dot of ketchup. This is tangy and sweet. Keep talking about it, and they love it. मतलब किचन में उनके लिए एक्सप्लोरेशन सेंटर हो जाएगा.
राइट. इनफैक्ट हम लोग उनको फ्रिज में से चीजें भी देने के लिए बोल सकते हैं.
ठंडा, गरम.
मुझे एक टोमेटो निकाल के दे सकते हो.
हाँ, and-
so probably they can just
Have you thought of a thing when on a Sunday this the grandfather gets all the bhaji?
हाँ, घर में
Make
सब्जियां
your
ही
child do
सब्जियां.
the sorting. 1-year-old child can do sorting. Just ensure कि ऐसी सब्जी ना दो जो दबा के पूरा ये हो जाए.
Pulpy kind of a
हाँ.
thing.
So you can have the potatoes, you can have onions, you can have green peas,
Ladies finger.
beans, all
Oh.
types of beans and whatnot, etc. etc. So give them, please, सबसे पहले एक 6 to 8 fancy वो baskets लेके आइए. Go to the market, go to the city, and get those baskets, colorful baskets.
Right.
You can teach them color
Sorting kind of a thing
Yeah.
they can do. Even one more thing, Meena, the way you said, we have got different sizes and shapes.
हाँ.
छोटा वाटी होता है,
हाँ.
कटोरी होता है, पतीला होता है. So we can
एक के अंदर एक डालो.
हाँ, then small to big arrange करो, big to
Seriation.
small
That's
arrange
called
करो.
seriation, ascending,
Okay.
descending order. So yeah, you should but sit down. Na? Don't command yourself at the kitchen platform.
खड़े रह के.
बच्चा ये करो. Never ever. You have to go down to the child's level, eye to eye. Speak to the child with a lot of respect, just like you would speak to any other adult in the house.
Right.
And that's how you will kind of instill a thing where I am important. मैं मेरी मॉम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हूँ और मैं जो करता हूँ वो बहुत मतलब बिकॉज वी आर कंटिन्यूसली अप्रिशिएटिंग ना. Wow,
And we also learning. अरे यार ये तो दिमाग में ही नहीं आया मेरे.
You have to be that kind of mom, enthusiastic like crazy. Yeah.
Wow, that's super. That is, I think kitchen started looking different for me, Meena, after
Obviously,
listening to this.
मतलब वो बच्चा जैसे किचन में आता है कुछ लोग ऐसे स्कैंडलाइज हो जाते हैं. Oh my God, किचन
इधर हाथ मत लगाना, उधर हाथ मत लगाना.
We have a platform and try to keep all the things child friendly. Don't keep too much mess. तो बच्चा निकाल. I know parents who are very happy कि उनके बच्चे ड्रॉवर खोलते हैं, चीजें निकालते हैं, नीचे रखते हैं, वापस ऊपर रखते हैं. They're happy. I mean, why do I have to make a fuss of everything?
That's nice.
What
that's
will they
nice.
do? यार उनको कोई जॉब नहीं है. उनको बहुत सारे काम है, उनको कुछ काम पे लगाओ. And of course, yes, one more thing I missed.
Yes.
मैदा तुम्हारे घर में हमेशा होना चाहिए. मैदे के अंदर आप कोई भी फूड कलर थोड़ा सा डाल दीजिए. उसको बेबी ऑयल और कुकिंग ऑयल, you can just bind it nicely. It should be nice and
Soft
it should
kind
not
of a
stick
thing.
to the finger.
Okay.
And then you can give a little bit to the child and they can make roti. मैदे में आप अजवान, नमक, मेरे पास तो डाइटिशियन ही है यहाँ पे, but still you can put a little flavor and because that should not go waste, just make a chapati out of it and उसमें अगर आपने ज़्यादा तेल वगैरह डाला तो थोड़ा बच्चा खा भी सकता है. खुद ने बनाई
Very
हुई
good,
चीज़.
यार. That's a nice activity. I think वो बेलने के लिए भी उनको 15-20 मिनट लग जाते हैं. They make different shapes and break it and
I
lot
think
of
people know this, but my only question is, do you really do this?
नहीं ऐसा लगता है यार mess हो जाएगा. The way you said, the first thing that you said, mess होने
हाँ.
दो.
Mess हो
Okay, now I think we are moving towards bedroom. Meena, what can we do in bedroom?
I remember when I had my kids were very little, my bedroom had become a children's room. So not a single wall was empty. So one great idea which I think I give to every mom that come in contact with me, one of the walls you have to identify in your bedroom which is plain, where you have to stick some chart papers, and please don't keep one boring color all the time. Keep changing the colors of the chart paper. Like your children are colorful, beautiful, you don't make them wear just one color, right? So say supposing you put a yellow chart paper, tape it up with a masking, the paper tape, which will not chip off
Spoil the
the
color.
wall को problem नहीं होगा. And then you can have a nice bunch of markers and colors, thick ones, not the thin ones, because more the child is younger, the markers have to be more thicker.
Why?
Because उनका जो grip है वो form नहीं रहता है.
Okay, so
अगर-
easy and comfortable
हाँ,
for them to
they
hold
are-
and
it's very ये pencil muscle जो उनका होता है वो form नहीं होता है, तो you can't give them a pencil, very wrong. 3 साल के
Okay.
नीचे के बच्चे को पेंसिल या पेन देना ही नहीं है. You have to give thick markers. I think market में आजकल बहुत कुछ मिलता है.
हाँ,
Those
100%.
huge crayons. So give them some nice stock of these
Colorful things.
Yeah, and sit with them, please. Sit with them. Make some shape. Ask them to scribble inside. Make a big one. Don't make a small shape and expect them to color it. Oh, don't do that, please. That will kill it. So let them just do random strokes and then keep singing some rhymes with them.
That's nice.
Jimbo the clown goes round and round, and they go round and round. You're
Nice.
teaching them actions. You're teaching them colors. You're teaching them shapes. And anybody comes to your house, now take them to that corner and tell them, look at our little artists.
Wow.
Let them do that.
Oh,
So
that's
bedroom
an
में-
awesome name, Little Artist.
Yeah, so you can just, I think at night you should read to your children. I think bedroom is that one place where, and when you should read when your children are little, less energetic. जब उनके थोड़े से बोलते हैं दिन भर खेल के थोड़ा थक
अभी
गए,
हाँ सोने का टाइम
so they are in that receptive mode to listen to what you're reading. Otherwise, even that time they will be active and it won't really happen.
Okay, that's nice.
So you can have, I think the score is around 30 to 40 books a toddler under 18 months should have in the house.
Beautiful.
So 30 to 40 books
That's nice.
and board books, and you can have those board books which you can give it to the children in the hand.
And this works, okay? Because I have been to Freedom Park, I used to read it, and now currently the situation is my younger daughter, who is just 4.5 year old. She sits with a thick book and she reads like this, and she tells me, "Mama, I'm done with the book." But for 5 minutes, her love towards book can be seen.
Yes, because that's
So I
that's
think
visual stimulation. Children learn through seeing, right? You don't teach them everything that they are doing, right? Half the things they learn looking at you. So
Right,
even
right.
if they see anybody in the house reading, I think it will inculcate that habit of reading in them. So we
Right.
have to be role models definitely for this one particular one.
And that's important, the way you
Yeah.
say it. Somehow not there so much reading
हाँ,
book.
हाँ, because yeah, we have our phones, and then they want the phone. like इसमें क्या है जो मम्मी का ध्यान पूरे दिन लेता है?
Right, that's nice, that's nice. Any kind of a peekaboo thing that we can play with the chaddar and the pillow that we use?
Recently, we did one activity at Freedom Park. We got these netted cloth, very soft net which we get in the market.
Okay.
So we got some 8 to 9 colors in that. We cut out a small thing in that and we just gave the children to play. It was beautiful. So what happens with blanket is you can play. That is a great idea, peekaboo.
Right.
But after a while, they will not, engage
Enjoy.
themselves. Yeah.
Okay.
So just to give a variation to peekaboo, you can have every day a different color.
Oh,
It's
that's
a very
nice.
small investment, but they will love it. And then
I
this,
think that's nice, soft
yeah.
thing.
And then you can
to-
you can have a jar. We get those cheeseling jars.
Yes, I know that.
So just get cheeseling, eat cheeseling,
And then
finish
use that
it,
jar.
finish it, clean it, put all these cloth, they're very,
Inside,
yeah. And just close it, and then when you give them, ask them to remove one by one.
Even that's an activity.
That's what-
Take it out, keep it back. We can knot it with one another and ask them to take a
Yes.
big
Yeah,
thread,
and
like
you can-
magician
yeah, you
and
can- yeah, you can just do anything. It's never ending.
That is nice.
Of
That's
course,
a
the
good
play
thing.
with doll. So pretend play is a part of bedroom activity. So you can sometimes children trouble you for eating. Sometimes children they don't listen to you. They don't sit in one place and eat. So you can have a doll which they are very close to. Any soft toy. You
Okay.
can give it a name, whatever name you want to give. So you can use these pretend play
Kind of a thing.
dolls to inculcate some good values in the child. Saying that you teach them, you make the child this one eat, you make Teddy eat, and I'll make you eat.
I make my angel
Huh.
eat, you make your
Huh.
angel eat. So
Something like that.
That's something.
So yeah, bedroom pretend play.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, Amina, when you say that bedroom you can play this kind of a thing, is there any specification that activity should not be done in the bedroom because it's only for sleeping? Kitchen is for eating, so
No.
you're not supposed to play there.
No.
Is there anything like that?
See, हर घर का कुछ रूल होता है. जैसे मेरे घर में रूल है कि बेडरूम में आप नहीं खा सकते हो बेड पे बैठ के, ठीक है. So अगर घर का कोई ऐसा रूल है
Respect.
तो I think you should respect that because why to hurt others? And it's a good thing, right? It's the right thing. You have a dining area. You can
Right.
use that for that. Let the child also. In fact, in play school, we teach them what are the different parts of the home. Where do we do what? Then again, if a child is continuously eating in the bedroom, उसका ये सारा equation ही change हो जाता है ना.
Right.
So,
But not as a rule like an Hitler. कि
No.
नहीं, So
नहीं, नहीं.
little flexible kind.
100%. But you can keep telling them what is the right thing to do and keep
Right.
nudging them to do the right.
Right.
नॉट
right,
जस्ट कोई भी एक्टिविटी मॉडरेशन में चाहिए, कोई भी एक्सट्रीम नहीं चाहिए.
Oh,
या
yeah.
मैं 8 बजे तो 8 बजे ही नाश्ता करती हूँ. नाउ दैट इज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग.
हाँ,
मतलब आई थिंक
आगे
यू आर
पीछे
पुटिंग
हो जाता है.
हाँ, you should be fine. So one of the mothers in the last meeting that we had, she's telling me that if I don't give my child lunch at 1 o'clock, she creates a big fuss in the house. Oh, हाँ, मतलब she understands 1 o'clock. I don't know how. I mean, probably the mother is waking her up at the right time and she knows within 15 minutes it's time to eat.
Sweet. Right.
Maybe. So mother is actually waking the child up in the right time. So that is creating that. So the child वो patience ही नहीं है बच्चों में कि यार मेरी मम्मी 10 मिनट लेट हो सकती है. आपका हाथ
That's
आटे में
true.
है, आपका हाथ आटे में है, आपका 18 महीने का बच्चा उठ गया है, बेडरूम में सोया है, वो चल के आ सकता है या क्रॉल करके आता है आप तक. He knows where you are.
Right.
He's found you. He knows kitchen में है मम्मा. वो आपको देख रहा है और जोर जोर से रो रहा है. You know the whole house is on the head.
Yes, everybody.
But he is right in front of you. You need not immediately.
अच्छा, wash, clean your hands and take your baby.
कोई जरूरत नहीं है उसकी. It's not. Let the children know this is human. I mean, you're a human. You're not a super human. And you will take some time to, let them have that time to understand that it takes time for a person to come and take you.
Right.
Unless your child is choking. If your child is choking, instantly
Yes,
you have
any
to.
medical need,
हाँ, if it's a medical need.
you have to go.
But we are reaching to our children even before they want us. We are creating that kind of pace in their life which is
Right.
not required. It's not human.
Is it so that we convey, bacha, just 5 minutes, mama is just
You can keep
coming.
talking, na. You can just keep talking. See, my hand is full of mess. Give me 2 minutes. I'm just finishing up, and sing a song. Please learn 50 songs.
And it's okay, irrespective of the quality of voice.
Quality of voice, tone is okay. Yeah, but at least if the song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, don't change it too much. It will be a problem for them.
That's true, no, because so many mothers, my voice is very bad. But I think for every child, their mother is the best singer in this
I think it's
world.
angelic to them.
And they love it.
They love it.
Because it's come with lot of love.
Thank you.
Okay, and now we shift to the another area, which is dining room. No, living room.
Okay. I think living room is the place where most of your family members would be sitting and engaged, exchanging ideas and spending most of the time together as a family. So I think you should, in fact, plan some activities which the child can do with any other member of the family.
Okay, that's a nice idea.
That
So
that
other
should be
member
a
of-
place where जरूरी नहीं कि तुम वो activity करो. तो when the child is sleeping, only that time have a very communicate to your XYZ मम्मी पापा जो भी है mother-in-law,
दादा
father-in-law,
दादी नाना नानी
anybody. Just tell them कि मम्मी ये वाला activity करना है आपको. जब वो उठेगा, I'll just whatever he is around with you, you're comfortable. Don't give a specific time again. That's not okay. So let them do it at their own pace because क्या होता है कितनी देर आप क्या करोगे ना बच्चे के साथ आप हाँ ये वो इधर उधर की बातें लेकिन
Right.
if the child is doing an engaging activity with a family member, imagine what kind of environment the child is in.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it could be anything like flower activity. मतलब अगर दादी रोज फ्लावर चढ़ाती है भगवान को तो फ्लावर की कोई एक्टिविटी दे दो. जो पहले दिन के जो फूल होते हैं वो आप ऐसे ही फेंक देते हो, निर्माल्य में डालते हो.
हाँ,
तो
right.
निर्माल्य में डालने के पहले वो ड्राइड फ्लावर्स जो भी अगर देख लो कि कीड़े नहीं है उसमें वो सारा क्लीन करके आप उसमें कुछ चीजें छुपा दो और वो
Wow.
चीजें ढूंढने लगाओ बच्चे को दादी के साथ. So let it be connected, right?
That's nice.
It can be
Oh,
connected.
my mother-in-law does. Ask them to segregate the colorful flowers.
Amazing.
Yellow alag because I have
Awesome.
this garden.
Talking about a toddler, you can create a hurdle, okay, with your
Oh, so
pillows, with your वो जो लोड है तुम्हारा लोड का एक स्टेशन बना दो पिलोज का, उस पे चलना है, उस पे रोल करना है, इस पे समरसॉल्ट करना है.
Amazing. So like a hurdle
Especially
station race.
especially अगर चाचू है या चाची है, these people can do this, physical kind of activity.
Super. Hey, that's awesome, Meena. So, any other idea, Meena, that come to your mind?
लिविंग
where-
रूम, हाँ यार वहाँ पे टीवी होता है तो थोड़ा एक्टिविटीज का पता नहीं. Anything to do with paper, newspaper.
Yes, newspaper.
So newspaper crumpling activity, we can tear the newspaper, we can make वो उसको ताकत लगती है ना. कुछ घरों में पेपर वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे तो obviously they will not be okay with this, but this is a great activity for kids
Okay.
to learn the
So,
pincer
in case
muscle.
it's allowed in your house.
हाँ, if it's allowed you can do, and you can make a ball and you can have a tub and you can just aim in the ball, aim in the tub, the ball.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
ball and you have to throw it in the. Hey, that's a nice activity.
First you tear, then you crumple, then you have a bowl and you put it in there.
It's a lot of time, okay? So
It is a 20-minute activity. Whichever activity I'm giving you, you can easily play with the activity 20 minutes.
Wow. So, Meena, this has been amazing when we are inside the house. Now, let's move out in the house. Garden or with nature. So,
Okay.
what do you feel we can do it?
What do you get in the nature?
Oh.
What is nature? What is in nature that children will love or children will love to explore? Have you observed your child when they go to a garden? What do?
They pluck things.
They pluck things. So now we can inculcate one habit कि जो भी नीचे गिरा है हम उसको यूज करेंगे. ठीक है?
Wow.
So recently
Okay.
we like अभी जो मौसम चल रहा है इसमें पतझड़ जो हम बोलते हैं तो काफी leaves, all the dried leaves go down, right?
Yeah.
Now we recently did an activity, floated an activity in the center where they had to do any activity with leaves.
Okay.
So I got around 120 ideas.
Wow.
120. There were 120 ideas out of the 100 moms who gave the ideas. Okay, it was like a contest. So can you imagine 120 ideas with dried leaf?
No. Can you
So
share one? or
I
two?
will, instead of speaking much, I'm going to just share a few of them on this video.
Amazing. So I think mamas, I understand something very important with Meena's entire talk is it's not about what to do. It's basic question to be I want to do.
Yeah.
And
definitely.
now how can I do it?
Yeah.
What to do to aa jayega. I think the way she explained, everything around us has got an activity beneath it.
Hidden it.
Within it, and you can explore it. So thank you so much,
Thank
Meena,
you.
for these awesome
Thank you.
ideas.
Thank you.
And all of you mamas, whoever is using these ideas, please post it in the comment box. We both will be equally
Put a picture,
happy.
please. I will like to see a picture.
Superb. So put a picture, you and child doing that activity, and let's keep rocking with our toddler. Yes, few of you have got one more question. Should I am a working mother or I leave my child with someone? Keep watching. Next video shall answer this question to all of you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.